Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 564. Title of today's lesson is the countable and uncountable uses of the noun smoke. Because sometimes students can mix them up and sometimes make some mistakes, which use is countable and which use is uncountable. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. So, if smoke is used to mean visible gases or vapors from something burning, it is uncountable. So here's one situation where students could likely make a mistake. They might say, I saw a smoke coming out of that house. No, you should say, I saw some smoke coming out of that house. It's uncountable in this sense. There was a smoke coming out of his chimney. No, there was some smoke coming out of his chimney. So it's definitely uncountable here. Our second meaning, also uncountable. Something unsubstantial or an illusion. In this sense, if you use smoke, it's also uncountable. It turned out to be false. It was just smoke. There was no real evidence. Yeah, it's also the way the word smoke is sometimes used in another phrase that we have. We say something is smoke and mirrors. Has the same meaning here. It would be uncountable in that sense. It's just an illusion. Somebody's putting something up so that you don't really see the truth or what's happening. In that sense, it is uncountable. All right, the third one, baseball. Actually, this one almost seems like it should be countable, but it is uncountable. In baseball, a smoke really refers to a fastball. Like if a pitcher can throw really, very, very fast speeds, like probably close to like 100 miles per hour or something like that, we would say that he throws smoke. So again, it's uncountable in this sense. So you would say that pitcher can throw smoke. We don't say he threw a smoke. You say he threw a fast pitch, but you can't say he threw a smoke. You would say he threw smoke. Yes, he's throwing smoke today. So in this sense, it is uncountable. All right, and now a couple of uses where it is countable. Okay. Sometimes we use a little bit more informal, but it's very common. You might use the word smoke to simply mean a cigarette. So if you had somebody say, can I have a smoke? Means, can I have a cigarette? This is countable. You can count them. All right. Or the second one, an instance of smoking. So, an action or event of smoking. It's also countable. He went outside on the balcony to have a smoke. Now, that doesn't mean he had a smoke like he had one cigarette. This is just the action that he's doing. He's having a smoke. He's doing this action of smoking. All right. So he's having a smoke. Okay, good. I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.